Hello everyone, I hope you're all having fantastic day. It has been quite a while since our last video. Promise I am doing absolutely my best to keep up with you guys and to bring the most reliable EAs and share it with you. Today we have Money Tree EA. This EA comes out with the live result that we're able to transform 1k balance into $12,000, which is crazy return on investment only in 4 months. And this EA, basically the monthly target is between 50 to 70%. I know it is crazy. I myself consider this to be true unless I test it for myself and see it, and to give you an honest opinion about it, whether it is correct or not. The maximum drawdown is basically 18 to 20%. Type is intraday trading. It work on 50-minute time frame, and the symbols are basically 70 major forex pair. EA does not use martingale or grid, but however does use one technique for the recovery. If we have, for example, we have the same currency, let's say we have USD CAD, and in this we have two trades that are selling. If the price go up, it will try to open another one, and if the price go up, it will try to open a third one, and it will make sure that the trailing stop loss is here. So whenever the price return, it will close the trading, all the trade, and with the maximum losses. So it kind of use some averaging, but I believe it is from 3 to 4 trade in the maximum trade. Minimum balance recommended $500. If 1k is better, always I advise you guys that you start testing your EA on demo, because if you are not familiar with the expert world, it is quite dangerous and it can be very profitable. At the same time, can be a little bit tricky if you don't know how to deal with the drawdown and market volatility, news and spread, etc. So you have to test it on the demo first, and then if you like the EA result, then you can transform into live account. So I recommend ECN account, Fusion Broker. As always, let us see the live result. Now here we have the Money Tree EA. Money Tree is basically, let's say, like we have tree. Even I'm not really good at drawing, I think, and here we have money that grow on the tree. I think I don't know how to draw for you, but anyway, that's what it's meaning. And we have live result, live account. The gain, you can see it is up to 1,278%. That is crazy result. I mean, you know, it is really amazing. You can see the deposit was only $1,000 and the profit is $12,788.75 US dollar. It is quite amazing, guys. I mean, if any one of us can really gain this amount of money, we will be quite happy. I mean, it is quite amazing, guys. If anyone in 4 months can really get this amount of money out of 1,000, we will be very happy and probably traveling to whatever country to spend some time, especially in the summer and in the hot weather. So you can see the drawdown is 18%. That is not really bad if you compare it with the result. So even if the drawdown is from 80, I expect it will be from 80 maybe to even 30%. But the important thing is we have the gain and the profit that we use. You can see we have the line is quite linear line and it is going up smoothly. We can see the balance, it was only equity 988, maybe 1,000 here, and you can see the increasement over from February until June. That is almost 5 months, I think, of trading. The drawdown, you can see the average drawdown is 10%. I think that will be our peak point of average, and this will be the pivot point of drawdown. This will be our peak drawdown, that is 80%. We can probably see to 20 even. Now what we have here, you can see from February it made 97, March 121, April 77, May 45, June it is 21%. That is very quite amazing result. But we have to make sure this is not any fishy scammy EA, so we have to check it for ourselves. Is it correct? Is it not? We can see from the result that this EA actually work on the forex pair. Take profit is only 10 pips, but there is a stop loss that is kind of dynamic. You can see 1% in 4 hours. And I think the important thing we have here to analyze everything, the average average trade length is 5 hours. That's not bad. It is very important. And you can see the winning streak is more than losing streak. This is only losing maybe 10 to 50%, I believe. You can see 91% is winning trade. That is high accuracy. However, you can see there are few losses here, and that loss could be a little bit, tricky. This is 1%, 1, 2 to this almost like 7% loss in one or maybe 1-2 day period of days, and that could be a little bit, if you don't know how to take losing trade, it will maybe affect your psychology. But otherwise, you can see sometimes you have 3% loses the trade, 3%, which is really, it is not that bad. That's possible to happen if you with any expert. There is always downside. You can see even here you have 6% of this one trade. So this happened if you kind of first day and you put the expert into your life and this happened, it will probably, you say, well, this is scam EA, but this happened at any type of expert. Now I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out for yourself, but I will show you something else. Before we go there, you can purchase it. The original price of this EA, I believe it is $600. You can purchase it for $50. That is a very discounted price, and you will get instruction and every support from me. So that has been said. Let me show you how the EA look like. This is the files. We have instruction and we have the EA. It is fixed EA, does not require any special installation such as DLL and etc. I personally tested on demo for 1 week and with some broker, with several brokers. You can see I put the EA into the sum of 16 pairs and the balance was initially $5,000. This is how the EA it work on 50-minute time frame. This license is valid, that means you can use it for unlimited. And here are the results. You can see the money tree. I hope I am pronouncing it right. You can see the result is quite impressive with 164. Now resuming our video, you can see here the result of money tree. Probably every trade that hit take profit, and the only losing trade we have here, that is this one. I believe it was on Euro GPY to buy at the same pair. So basically that's what I mean by averaging. This one you kinda subtracted from this trade, it kind of increased the losing trade, kind of like a recovery method. Now if we compare this one with the FX, my FX, you can see our trade was New Zealand CAD or Canadian dollar. We have sell trade and the profit hit on the target. Let me see if the same trade we have on our FX. You can see, I believe that would be the first page that we need. You can see same, we have New Zealand CAD that is sell and it hit take profit on the 4-hour period, same opening day, same closing day. So it is quite similar to our trade. That's very important thing. That means that EA is quite similar. And maybe some trade, you can see this is USD GPY, we also have USD GPY. So that means our EA is quite working very well, and that is important thing. So for my opinion, I will be testing this EA for a bit longer time, maybe 1 month or 2 months. I will see, and I will probably update you with the result. And for now, I think the EA is worth it to give it a test. Has live result. Probably it might be our EA that you all need. That means I recommend it. First test it on demo and see for yourself what you can improve and what you can add. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.